Hey everyone, if you follow this channel for some time, you will know that I'm a big proponent of hanging from chin-up bars, for example. And I was recently asked by a viewer, how long should they be able to hold from, say, a pull-up bar? And without overcomplicating the matter, this is what I think is a good target. Take the number 100 and subtract your age. So this viewer was 20 years old. So 100 minus 20 is 80. A good minimum target to shoot for is being able to hang from a chin-up bar for, in that person's case, 80 seconds. If you're 30, 100 minus 30 is 70. Shoot for 70 seconds. If you're in your 40s, let's say you're 40, 100 minus 40 is 60 seconds or 1 minute. So 100 minus your age, I think, is a good target to shoot for being able to hang from a bar. If you're, say, over the age of 20 or 20 years old. And of course, let's say you get to 80, 100 minus 80 is 20. If you're able to hang from the bar for 20 seconds at the age of 80, fantastic. If you get to 100 years old, 100 minus 100 is 0. Whatever you've been doing has been working for you. But I think it's generally a good idea. 100 minus your age. Try to hang for that length of time. And if you can't do that, work up to that. You can practice hanging several times a week. So let's say, for example, you're 20 and you hang from a bar and you're only able to hold the bar for maybe 20 seconds. What you could do is, many times during the week, grab a bar, grab an object, and hang from that for half that period of time. So if you're only able to do 20 seconds, practice hanging from the bar for 10 seconds. Do that multiple times, perhaps a day, or multiple times throughout the week without trying to experience fatigue. It's what the Russian strength coach Pavel Tsatsouline calls greasing the groove. Greasing the groove. So that's a methodology which you might be interested in checking out. All right, well, I really hope you enjoyed this quick video.